A Jewel Garland of Advice, written by Khenpo Karten Rinpoche. O kind and precious root guru, embodiment of all refuges, Vajradhara in nature, I call on you from my heart with intense devotion. Please draw this one's mind to the path of Dharma. Che ho, O fortunate practitioner who seeks liberation. Listen to these words without distraction. Even if someone was with me my whole life, I would have no more instructions than this to give. We don't know if this wonderful human life, so difficult to come by, will still be here tomorrow. So don't lose it to meaningless distractions. Now is the time to put effort into practice. Not encountering Dharma when young, one's whole youth was used up in meaningless samsaric activities. Having enjoyed sense pleasures throughout your youth, isn't it wonderful to have Dharma with you now for the rest of your life? If recitations and other virtues of body, speech, and mind are not motivated by universally altruistic bodhicitta, they do not become a cause for perfect liberation. So, sister of good lineage, always adjust your motivation. Having found this precious human life so difficult to obtain, and even rarer than that, to have met the deep, holy Dharma, and even rarer than both of those, to have found at this time a qualified guru, cherish and do not miss out on this opportunity. Worldly bliss is just like water bubbles, impermanent, destroyed in an instant. If you strive to realize this profound holy Dharma, you will be eternally fulfilled with lasting happiness. If early life was used up by nothing but evil, slave to delusions, planting seeds of lower realms, why would it not be good if you spent the rest of your life, whatever remains, making your life more meaningful? Leave your mind unmodified, clarity emptiness without grasping. Meditate that your body is that of a yidam deity. Hear all sound and language as the mantra. Between sessions of meditation, view everything as a dream, an illusion. Rest your mind naked, unaltered, without grasping whatever appears. With a suitable degree of concentration, not too tight nor too loose, meditate on the present moment of awareness, unfabricated, in vast space of wisdom awareness beyond ordinary mind. Watching your mind with unforgetting mindfulness and alertness makes it auspicious for your practice to improve. Always checking your 3 doors of action, never forgetting, makes all auspicious for winning the battle with delusions. Always pray to the gurus, never forgetting them. This will bring an auspicious rain of blessings. Never forget the yidam. Always say the mantra. This serves to easily have realizations and attainments. Don't forget sentient beings. Always meditate on compassion for them. This is necessary to develop bodhicitta in your mind. Never forget death. Always meditate on impermanence. That is necessary in order to give up attachments to mundane pursuits of this life. Don't forget holy Dharma. Use body, speech, and mind for virtue. That is necessary to get free from the swamp of samsara. Progress on the staircase to liberation in accordance with Dharma. Gain a foothold in the kingdom of eternal happiness. In brief, the joys and sorrows of this short life are not real, like glittering illusions or dreams. Knowing this, keep close to the eternal refuge. In pure essence of holy Dharma, you will be a wise woman. The mundane activities of samsara, as much as you work for them, they are like a rainbow. Taking their essence into your hands, there is nothing there. Better than that, if you put effort into Dharma, that is very wise. The essence of Dharma is supreme bodhicitta. Banish the demon of ego-clinging ignorance. The essence of happiness is blissful mental peace. Strive to always meditate within. Wherever you go, practice holy Dharma. Whoever you are with, be harmonious. If your body, speech, and mind are inseparable from Dharma, there is nothing that can make a human life more meaningful. When tormented by sickness, living in difficult circumstances, being mistreated by others, exhausted in body and mind, if you take bad conditions as the path and make bodhicitta your core practice, both this and future lives will be virtuous. In short, may temporary hindering circumstances be pacified on the spot, and may the sunshine of holy Dharma, of happiness, benefit virtue, and goodness illumine your life, and may you live in infinite bliss. Thus, to fulfill your wishes, this one named karma, with whatever poorly expressed words of Dharma I thought of, offers you this jewel garland of advice. Make it a necklace for you to wear.